G'day guys, here is a video of this SMC ceiling fan. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for free. This fan, again, I'm not keeping. I'm actually giving this to a private fan collector again. I did do a couple of videos of this fan on my iPad, and it would not upload. Like, it had trouble uploading, so I just, and I did them with him on call. I was trying to do a video of this fan with him on call, but it didn't work, so I've just got it, so I'm just doing this video individually this time, but this fan, I'm actually giving this fan to him. It's an SMC, labelled SMC, as you can see, with a brown label. It's from December 2008. Yeah, it's from December of 2008. It actually looks older than it is, which I like. It looks older than it is, which I like. It's on the SMC What Master 5 speed control. I don't have the light connected, by the way, because I don't have the light connected on this one because I didn't know how to. I do have the shade on. This is low. It does have a bit of a bag capacitor. That's low. It's gonna start making that. It's gonna start making that noise now. By the way, that buzzing noise you hear is just for shade. It's that that buzzing noise you hear is just for light shade. Top of it. It is pretty noisy, as you can hear. Here's speed 2. And high. Oh. Yeah, I reckon this fan does have a bit of a back capacitor.